Hello and greetings, Waypoint staff. So the leadership team is going to be rolling out a new Employee Connect portal. Basically what it is a online learning management system that we're going to use. We're sort of repurposing it as a way for us to be able to share materials, communicate a little bit more effectively as an organization. We can share resources. We can also put certain kinds of tasks up here. We can use the calendar to communicate information. And also maybe just to have some team building going along with it as well. So we thought that we would use this PowerSchool Learning. So it is borrowed from educational software, but it really suits our needs and it's really cost effective. So it makes it easier for us all to share things. Just keep in mind, it's not actually meant to be an educational piece per se, even though we do have some educational things in here. So what we're doing is we're basically making a home page where this will be our front page of messages and notices throughout the week that are kind of important. The IT committee will be responsible for adding content to this page. And so if you have any ideas about the kind of content that you would like to see, or notifications you want to share, or messages to share with the organization, then they need to go first to your manager, and then your manager will decide whether or not that's something that should go on to the home page, or if that's something that should go into a department page or a committee page, and they'll decide where that should go for you. Okay, so in the meantime, we do have every department listed here as far as having their own section for materials that they'd like to share. This could be relevant links to videos or research or data. It could be information about events. It could be posters or reminders that are important to your section there. And what we did, so for instance, if we look at outreach for an example, I just very briefly put a list of the kinds of things that we would like to see posted on each page here, and we'll build this content together. That's why we're rolling it out a little bit early to have the staff help us decide what should be shared and what kind of information you think would be good and useful here. The other area that groups that will be posting things will be the committees as well. So if you look at OH&S, for instance, we're going to be posting things like our meeting minutes and any announcements or materials that are relevant to the committee, any videos or links to training that needs to be taken care of. It's just another way that we can track more efficiently the types of things that we're doing and make sure that everybody's sort of on par with that. Then of course you can get more information about the presentation committee, and all of these things are under development. So some things have been we've been adding to it over the past week or two, but we're really going to start to develop this over the course of the summer. And that's why we're rolling it out to you for your assistance. If there's anything that you feel like you can contribute to these pages, please let your manager know, and what kind of pieces you feel like should be in your department or on the home page. Okay, we will be hopefully putting up a resource library to links to, could be anything from referrals to other organizations to people to call within the community, those kind of things. Also, we'll be putting up some information and links about trainings that will be offered and available to people. Okay, so this is just a brief general introduction as to what's coming your way. What you can expect to see in the next week or two is an invitation come in your email from your manager that says P-Learning like this, with the website listed up below. And we'd like you to go to that website and enroll yourself with this invitation code. Or the invitation code that you received, not this one that I'm highlighting. This is not for you, okay? You'll get that in your email, and then once you use that invitation code and you sign up, then you'll be able to see the Employee Connect portal. And bear with us and as we develop this. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always ask your manager or a member of IT, especially Tracy. All right, thank you and good luck.